got my 15 pieces of Flair here. Oh no, I don't think I have 15 here. The boss is going to be mad at me. 15 pieces of Flair is just the minimum. I can have more if I choose to. Pretty grumpy today. I think I have a case of the Mondays. Yeah, I'm gonna rip a 2021 Topps Series 10. Yeah, and after we rip it, gonna need to send the results over on the TPX report, and I'll make sure I have the proper cover. Yeah. Yeah, Hedgehog and David M. I'm gonna need you to come in on Saturday. Yeah. And yeah, also Sunday. We're behind. We have a lot of ripping to do. Yeah. Okay. I have a 2021 Topps Baseball Series 110. A little something different. Go back to last year. Hold on, I got something coming through my printer here. PC Load Air? What the fuck is that? And why does it say Paper Jam when there is no Paper Jam? If they try to take my Swigline stapler, they better not try to take my stapler. If they take my stapler, I'm going to burn the place down. They tried to take my Swigline. Yeah. There we go. Saw most of it there. I can't wait to get to the good stuff. I need a big hit so I can show my O face. Oh. I'm going to show my O face with a big hit. Okay, let's just go through here. Damn landscape. I'll have to go through these more. It's dark in here. How many landscape are there? Okay, we're going to get to the good stuff in just a minute. So, I got assaulted the other day at work by a psych patient. Yeah, I got a cut in my lip. Every day I go to work is the worst day of my life. That means every day that you see me or hear me, that's on the worst day of my life. And I just don't like working there. It's not that I'm lazy, I just don't care. Ton of rookies here. There's the Mount Castle. Very fresh and clean condition on these. Come in and flip these over here. This was a 2021 Topps 10. I still have a giant box left. I remember getting this card 50 times last year. Clayton Kershaw. So I'll have to go through these a little closer. Look like there's some decent rookie cards that I got to go through. I think we saw a little sneak peek of what was in there, unfortunately. Okay, let's take a look here. Yeah. Okay. So there's a Mike Trout. That is a silver foil card. Very nice. Hopefully you can see this. I'll take any Mike Trout insert. There's an Alexander Bogaerts. Red Sox really off center. Very disappointing. And there's a card that we got the sneak peek of. The Mike Trout. That's not a real autograph. I don't think so. No. The Mike Trout Chrome. Yeah. Very nice. Mike Trout box. There's Aaron Judge. There's Yadier Molina. Jacob deGrom. Justin Verlander. Sonny Gray. There is a Cody Bellinger Chrome. And we end up with a top 70th Randy Johnson with his Diamondbacks uniform. So 2021 Series 1. She's not a great rip. She's not a bad rip. She's not a bad lady. Once again, not a good lady, not a bad lady. I would recommend staying away from her because Lumberg fucked her later.